What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are in the Hellcat. Hope all you guys are doing good, man. Hope all you guys are achieving your dreams, man. I feel like what gets me super excited is honestly the idea that I'm gonna try to buy more cars. I know it's not like it's a good plan, but like I'm putting my money everywhere right now. Just closed the deal on a shop, so I'm putting some money over there. And then I'm putting hella money in stocks right now because I just love, every time it drops, dude, I'm just gonna keep buying it. Not financial advice, but. So I'm just happy I'm putting my money in all the good places now. Because now that I have more consistent income, it just makes everything just more consistent. There's more, you know, when you have more money, bro, you just can put your money in so many different places. So that's what I've been working on for literally past 5 years, man. That was a Durango, Hellcat Durango. Oh my gosh. It sounds hella aggressive today. When the weather changes, dude, it sounds different. It's weird. I love it. I love how it's always changing because you don't really get used to it. And right now, I love the way it sounds. I feel like this engine inside of M3 or M4 would be so fun. There's something about this engine, like the way it feels, dude. The transmission feels so good on this thing. Like M5 is fun too, but something about this one is crazy different. So fun. But make sure you guys keep seeing God, man. At the end of the day, you know, I've been saying the same thing for the past 2 years, and there is a reason why, man. You know, obviously success doesn't come overnight, right? Like as long as you consistently spend, you know, I work 12 hours on average. Sometimes I'm working more than that. And why do I work that much? Not because I want to bless my employer and make them hella money, because I want to learn. I want to become the best. And there's some fields, like you can't do it for every single field. You gotta really admire your field. You gotta really admire what industry you're in, because it's not every industry where you can just work 12 hours and it's fun. Like if you're just packaging, like say, like just doing like mail, like Amazon, I don't think I can do 12 hours. I think the only reason why I would do 12 hours is just to save up enough money to put in, like to invest it. But other than that, it would be really hard for me to work that much hours. But like if you get into a field where you're learning a special trade that, like, you know, the knowledge you learn that only like a couple people have. Like for example, there's a guy in the industry I'm in. He's the only guy in the whole industry that knows how to do like for example, erase the whole software and re-upload it and actually make it communicate with the machine. There's only a couple guys that know how to do that. And those guys get paid the biggest bucks. That's like the perfect example. Like stuff that people cannot be trained on, like it has to be learned through experience and just trial and error. That's the best industry, man. You will make the most money in that. That's why I'm so happy I'm in the type of industry where, you know, it takes hella hardship to become good. So that's why I just keep focusing, guys, like on a field, because like I'm gonna tell you guys right now, every field's hiring. And sometimes you gotta just get low pay. Like don't expect high pay in the beginning. You know, like for me, they paid me really freaking low, but it was so worth it because I was able to learn hella fast and get fat raises. So that's how you gotta think, man. You gotta think of like a field, like how can you get your foot into a specific field that is starting somewhere where they pay you a little bit, like at a manufacturing facility, for example. Like I worked at a little manufacturer and posed that, bro, that place sucked, but I don't regret any of it. Like, it sucked, but it taught me so much. And then if I were you guys, I wouldn't be wasting money on the car. Just buy as much freaking real estate, like obviously real estate that is affordable. Buy real estate, buy stocks, long term. That's what I wish I did, like really intensely. Like I wish I didn't buy anything. But one thing I will say though is me buying these cars, it made me work way harder. Oh my gosh. It sounds different today. It does. Oh my gosh, it's freaking loud today, dude. It's way louder than usual. Wait, what the? There's a freaking Ferrari. What the fudge? Yo, there's a freaking Ferrari, bro. I never see Ferraris here. That's crazy. Yo, these ships are nice right now. I'm trying to see the Ferrari pull up, bro. Go in this turning lane. Where is this guy? Bro, what kind of Ferrari is that? What the fuck? That's so clean. He's on me right now. He lives in that community? No way. I like feel like such a poser pulling them, like waiting for him. Like oh my gosh. Supra, Mark. Yeah. Wait, that's Aston Martin, bro. Where are all these cars coming from, bro? I've never seen this many cars in my area. Pipes sound good. close the valves real quick because this neighborhood is like hell for out here. Woo! Dang, bro, this wine, the weather, the exhaust sounds crazy. But it's crazy how now there's a tariff on all foreign cars. That's kind of, I think that's good, bro. I think that's good for my M5. My M5 is not going to depreciate that much. Hopefully it stays like that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Let's go, boys. No, I freaking love this thing, dude. I still haven't got over it, man. I'm just happy both of these are V8 foreign, man. That's it. Not V8 foreign, sorry. I'm just happy I have a V8 foreign and a V8 muscle. Because obviously GT500 is also sick. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. It's hard for me to choose right now. But I think back when I was looking for a GT500, they were like super expensive. I know they dropped in value since then. Straight pop, dude, this thing being straight pop is I still don't get over it. The only thing I don't like is the pipe setup. The catalyst pipes are just like, they're kind of janky because there's like nothing else being sold. Like there's a very limited amount, dude. That's what I've noticed. Oh my gosh. Guys, just keep growing God, man, because at the end of the day, bro, you never know when your last day is. I already know once I get my Lambos and everything, I'm gonna keep saying the same thing because, like, no doubt is a fun, life's more fun, there's more to do with life, but at the end of the day, bro, everything's gonna pass and you're gonna get used to it. Do I want to get used to, would I rather be used to driving a Lambo than nothing? Yeah, of course. It's gonna make you happier, but it's not gonna give you like joy. That comes straight from the Lord, bro. Like the joy you get from the car is temporary, but the feeling you have, like once you feel content with the cars you have, it's a good feeling, because now you know, like, okay, I finally got the car, I don't have to FOMO all the this and that. But it comes with a price, obviously, right? Like, you gotta work for cars like this. You can't just, it comes with a pretty big price, and I would say investing is a better, way better price. Paul Walker's death is here, bro. It's crazy. He was really sending you on this road, bro. Crazy. It sucks, man. Crazy. That's how fast life can go, man. That's crazy. Sad, man. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's like, I'm just gonna keep buying cars, but I gotta keep saying the same thing, because at the end of the day, bro, there's really nothing else more valuable than having a relationship with God, man. The good part, bro, is that this whole life is vain, so at least that we have eternity. You know, if you guys don't live the best life on earth, the good part is that we have eternity, and eternity should be amazing, bro, according to the Bible. So I'm down, dude. I'm down. I'd rather live hoping for heaven than like hoping that I just die and don't exist anymore. I really do think there's a bigger purpose than just this life. I think there's a reason why we have this life, and it's like almost like a test, you know? Like, this is like a simulation almost, feels like. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might do a little nighttime POV if this video's not long enough, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.